Good evening friends, this is Hemnath from Chennai North branch. This is my fourth month. For the past 3 months, I have done sales of 2.4 lakhs, average of 80,000 per month, and I would like to maintain the same for the next 6 months with an average of 80,000. And my plan for that is totally it comes around 4.8 lakhs for next 6 months. I pledge that I will do the following as I said now. That is, my average call rate per day will be 9.2 and my sales will be 4.8 lakhs and my proposal submission will be 12 and my average new client creation will be 5. So plan for this is, my strategy is I will split this into monthly basis and weekly basis. So first monthly basis I will do 80,000, that is 80,000 means weekly I have to do 20,000 per week. So weekly I have decided to do 4 proposals minimum, and totally I would like to convert every 6 suspect that I do into a 1 prospect. So this will create more prospect for me so that I can increase my volume and sales of minimum 80,000 per month. So this can be done by increasing the number of suspects that I do. So being a part of Ceasefire family, just I would like to share a few things. As Ceasefire products is the most trusted products in the market and high quality products that is available in the fire safety market. And every leader in the Ceasefire has fire inside. So everyone whoever want to grow with Ceasefire, if they have fire inside, they can grow well in Ceasefire. I think I have the fire inside, so I can grow with Ceasefire. So finally I would like to finish with a quote that our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising up every time we fail. So thank you. Jai Ho.